I'm Stefan Alexic.
I'm Ben.
Yes.
I'm Max.
Hi, nice to meet you, Max. So basically, we made Dial Tone, which is okay. So let's say you're talking to Comcast and you're on hold for 3 hours. You don't want to listen to really crappy Britney Spears music, right?
Terrible.
It's terrible. So what if you can make your own hold music while on hold? So that's
Much better music.
much janky. Okay, so the demo. So you call this number.
And you beatbox into it.
Press a number to record a track or press start to clear.
Yeah.
Now we press star to clear, and then we press 1.
What? Word. Did it really just...
No, it keeps on. Okay. So you can hear it now. And now we do it too. My name is Stefan. I'm at this hackathon. Everyone here is having a lot of fun. There's Ben. I don't know what rhymes with Ben, so this is really awkward and I don't know what to do now. And I'm scared. Sick.
rhymes.
Sick rhymes with slick.
My name's Stefan, I'm at the hackathon. Everyone here is having a lot of fun. There's Ben. I don't know what rhymes with Ben, so this is really awkward and I don't know what to do.
You have 3 different volume levels depending on the
Right,
the
right.
row you press.
Yes. So 1 2 3 is like like low volume. 4 5 6 is medium volume. So like 1 2 3 is low volume, medium volume, high volume.
Yeah.
So pretty much what you can do is you can specify levels and stuff, and you
Basically a full mixing console on your phone
can make, exactly
through Twilio.
through Twilio. So you can see like this is kind of a bit louder than the other one.
So pretty much we can do it under what rhymes.
And that is pretty much it. So instead of listening to bad cover versions
Make
of
your
Justin
own
Bieber songs,
superior music.
you can make your own superior music. And the one thing we forgot to mention was when we end this call, and now we're not on hold anymore, and while you get caught serenading to your customer service agent,
Automatically uploaded the track to
That's
SoundCloud
right.
to put on your mixtape.
we will link the SoundCloud on the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and favorite.
Like, favorite, and subscribe.
And share. Please share this.
Yeah. Start me on it.
Start me on GitHub too, please. We have 5 different forks.
10, I think, at this point.